Hello! Today I'd like to show you how column and section breaks work in Word because they can be a little bit tricky. So I thought I'd start off by showing you the end result really. Here we have a simple one-page document, but as you'll notice, because I've selected from the Home tab, Home ribbon, the Show Hide button, you can see where the breaks are. I've got the top part of the document which has two columns using a column break. Then I'm using a section break on the same page. Then telling Word I have three columns with further column breaks, and then a further section break at the end of column 3, and then back to one column. So let's see how this was working in Word. I'm going to start off with a blank document. I'll switch off the Show Hide button to start with, and the first thing I'm going to do is to select two columns. Layout, columns 2, go back to the Home tab. You can see there the column divider and the horizontal ruler. At the moment I'm on the left hand side of column 1, so I'm going to centralise my text into the middle of column 1. I'll have a simple title, Word. Press enter, left justify, and we'll just have two simple bullet points of features you can do in Word, table of contents, and of course we're currently looking at breaks. I'll then press enter, switch off the bullet point, and the tricky bit now is where to find the column break. You might think it was in the insert, a bit like when you find page break, but it's not. It's actually in layout, breaks. We're going to have a column break, and that takes us onto the left hand side of column 2. Once again, centralise, this time Excel as a heading, press enter, left justified, two more simple bullet points for Excel, formulas and pivot tables. Switch off the bullet point, and this time I'm going to insert a section break because I'd like to now start working on 3 columns. So layout, breaks, a section break continuous on the same page. Select my 3 columns. You can see now in this section we've got column dividers, so it's a 3 column document at this page, at this stage. Once again, let's go back to the Home tab. Middle of column 1 we're going to have Access, another module in Microsoft. Just 2 features you can do in Access, reports and queries. Again, switch off a bullet point and apply another column break. Centralise the text. We're going to have PowerPoints as a heading. Again, 2 features, slides with a chart, and then animations. Again, switch off the bullets, apply my column break, Home tab, and last of all, Outlook. Going to have 2 bullet points, calendar, and of course emails. I'm going to switch off a bullet point and apply my last section break. And this time apply 1 column after the section break. This is a demo on the use of column and section breaks. You can see if we switch on now the Show Hide tab, you can see there we have our section breaks and our column breaks. Just one small point, you can't actually see the second section break, so if I just go down like so. Then switch on. You can see there the section breaks quite clear. Do the same after emails. There's your section break. Okay, so that's the use there of column breaks and section breaks within the same document. And we hope you found that useful.